So here's another one. It's called milk chocolate. And as per as usual, we're just going to dive into this. So let's open this one. And it looks like calendar chocolate. So as per, let's dive in. That also tastes like cheap chocolate and calendar chocolate. There's nothing wrong with it. But I'd rate that 4 out of 10. But it's still nice to eat, and I love trying these. But yeah, this is Soviet serious. But yeah, come back tomorrow when I do some more. But yeah, thanks for coming. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.